Okay, so the wind detection was set to automatic, and I do really feel that when it's set to automatic, that's when you get the audio pop. So if you set it to manual like I do now, I probably don't hear any audio pop. And I think I'm gonna go and walk around here a little bit, and we see how this thing looks like here in the river. There's a little bit icing up because it's so bitter cold. Let's have a quick look how that is on the other side here. So how is this for a change? It is like frozen. The ice is piling up. Look at that. I have the automatic horizon stabilization here. Look at this. Really crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna go and walk around here a little bit. And you can probably see in my shade, in the shadow here, that I'm running this thing on the selfie stick. Let's move this in. It might be a little difficult with oh yeah, look at this. So this is how thick the ice is here. It's frozen pretty nice. The river water. But by now it may be thicker. So what happens with this ice is that the ice blocks the river over there, and then the whole thing is like blocking it, and it floods all the neighborhoods here on the left. That's kind of not so good. Let's see how this goes here. Oh. It's all different. The same thickness, huh? I don't think you can walk across here. So if you could walk across, on that side over there is Canada, and on this side here is the United States. So if you could manage to walk across here, you could walk across. But if you lose it on there, if you break in this, you're done. No question. So it may work, but I don't think it's recommended. This would be horrible if you try it. No way. Not even with a boat. I don't know, there's a ferry down the street here, down there at that end. I don't know if they make it across or not when they start to not be able to break the ice anymore. Alright, so let's turn around and see how that works with the sun in the background. If you can still see me, but I'm gonna end this video here for my quick walk on the ice. I mean, I should go up there for YouTube and just walk on the ice a little bit. This would be great, right? I bet you guys would subscribe if I walk on the ice. So I see you guys next time. Look at this. This is where it comes on land, the ice. There's people coming over here to look how this looks like. It's like a nice spot. You wouldn't go across. Here taking pictures. The thing is that you can't walk with it. here I am at a much better spot. We're gonna check out how this goes over here, because here is where the water is higher and it's flooding the neighborhoods. It's like all the grass is like soaked here and thrown out. But here we can see how it floats by. It's like amazing. That's the speed. It all goes down there and gets stuck down there. Park benches are a little bit flooded. Too bad that I don't have the right shoes to walk there. No? Would be nice if I could go there. So the ice comes from that big lake over there, and it goes down this river, and further down it gets stuck. So now the level rises, and the ice that's going by is crushing shit. Whoa, like that there. Man, you can see how fast it's moving. And I can't go any further here because it's all wet.